Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney licensed in Texas and California. Today I'm going to break down the Texas Standard Possession Schedule, or SPO for short. In divorces involving children, a visitation schedule for each parent's time with their children is included in the final decree of divorce. Some terms often used interchangeably are custody, possession and access, and visitation, and they all mean the same thing. Texas has what is called a Standard Possession Order, or SPO for short, that serves as a guide in dividing parenting time, and it is ordered effective by judges when couples cannot agree on a visitation schedule. The following is a breakdown of the order so you can better understand. Number 1, it sets the standard times and possession of the non-custodial parent when the parties reside less than 100 miles apart. The non-custodial parent is the parent with the visitation rights. They get Thursdays during the school year from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., the first, third, and fifth weekend of every single month from 6 p.m. on Friday to 6 p.m. on Sunday. They alternate holidays with one parent getting the child or children in odd-numbered years and one parent getting the child or children in even-numbered years. They also get 30 days out of the summer, and if they're the father, then they get Father's Day. Number 2, the order will designate where the exchange for the child or children will take place. So where will the child be picked up, where will the child be dropped off, and who can pick up or drop off the child? Number 3, it sets the standard for non-custodial parents when parents reside more than 100 miles apart. The non-custodial parent can have the same weekend possession schedule as if they lived less than 100 miles apart, or it can be reduced to 1 month. There is no Thursday visitation. Holidays will be alternating, with one parent getting the child or children in odd-numbered years and one parent getting the child or children in even-numbered years. The non-custodial parent will also get 42 days during the summer. They'll get every single spring break, and they'll get Father's Day if they're the father. Number 4, the Texas Standard Possession Order is not for a child or children under 3 years of age. Couples with a child or children under 3 can choose to follow the Texas Standard Possession Order, or they can agree to something different. Number 5, a modified possession order is anything different from the Standard Possession Order. The Texas Standard Possession Order does not work for some families, especially those with parents who work irregular work hours. Couples can always agree on a schedule that will meet their needs. Number 6, an extended or expanded standard possession order gives more time to the non-custodial parent. They get an earlier pickup time and a later drop-off time, which is usually the time school lets out to the time school resumes on Monday. There is an overnight stay on Thursdays during the school year rather than the standard 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., and they can also elect the 30-day block during the summer.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.